Number 1. 1972 Ford F250, price $6,200. This truck is a classic heavy-duty pickup that embodies durability and functionality. With only 40,800 miles on the odometer, it has seen limited use and has primarily been driven on short 5 to 10 mile runs into town from a farm. It has spent over 40 years stored under cover, preserving its overall condition. Finished in an attractive metallic brown over white, the truck features a manual transmission and a black interior. Under the hood, it is powered by a reliable 360 cubic inch V8 engine, well regarded for its strong performance, particularly in towing and hauling applications. The truck also comes equipped with a reinforced frame and heavy-duty suspension, specifically designed to handle the added weight of a camper or heavy cargo. The engine runs strong, making this Ford F250 not only a collectible piece of history but also a capable workhorse. Number 2. 1985 Dodge D150, price $8,000, with only 70,000 original miles on the odometer. Finished in a timeless tan exterior with a matching brown interior, it features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck has received extensive recent maintenance and upgrades. Recent work includes the installation of brand new tires, upper radiator hose, front and rear shocks, a new computer module, ignition timer, starter relay, water pump, fuel pump, and thermostat. The braking system has also been comprehensively refreshed with new front calipers and brake pads, rear brake shoes, wheel cylinders, and all new brake lines. Mechanically sound and visually appealing, the truck runs strong and maintains its original character with a clean, well-kept interior and striking yellow paint. It comes with a clean, original title in hand, and all major systems have been serviced or upgraded. Number 3. 1988 Chevrolet C2500, price $9,995, finished in classic blue with a matching blue interior, is a true survivor from the West Coast, completely rust-free and in remarkable original condition. With just 103,000 miles on the odometer, it retains its original charm while delivering dependable performance. Often referred to as the cowboy Cadillac of its era, this truck comes fully loaded with power windows and door locks, a tilt steering wheel, cruise control, and an in-dash cassette player, all part of the original factory setup. The interior is completely original and well preserved, while the exterior features practical additions like a farm bumper and running boards that enhance both utility and style. Under the hood, it's powered by the reliable 350 TBI V8 engine paired with a smooth-shifting 4L60 automatic transmission. The truck runs and drives exceptionally well, with solid brakes and no unwanted rattles. Everything functions exactly as it should. Number 4. 1978 GMC Sierra 2500, price $7,500, with 99,000 miles on the odometer, it remains in strong running condition and continues to deliver dependable performance. The truck features a classic brown exterior paired with a matching brown interior, giving it a cohesive and vintage look that's hard to miss. Powering this Sierra 2500 is a 350 cubic inch Chevy V8 engine, mated to an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive setup. It offers a smooth and capable drive, whether cruising around town or tackling light-duty hauling. The vehicle runs well and has recently been fitted with a brand new water pump and fresh V-belts, adding to its mechanical reliability. Fueled by gasoline, this truck not only looks the part but also backs it up with solid road manners. Number 5. 1988 Dodge Dakota, price $5,000, with only 39,000 original miles and has been meticulously cared for by just 2 owners. It features a 3.9L V6 engine and rear-wheel drive, offering a solid balance of power and reliability. The truck has never been involved in any accidents and comes with a clean title in hand. Always garage-kept, the body is in excellent condition with no rust, a true testament to its preservation over the years. Recent maintenance includes a new oil pump and screen, oil pan gasket, transmission gasket and filter, fuel injectors, fuel filter, throttle position sensor, fuel pressure regulator, and a rebuilt throttle body using a new kit. It has also received a full tune-up, preparing it for dependable performance. Although the vehicle was running recently, some minor repairs remain unfinished due to time constraints. Number 6. 1994 Ford F150, price $2,800, it has traveled approximately 167,000 miles. Finished in white with a tan interior, it features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Under the hood is a dependable 5.0L V8 engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. The truck comes equipped with cold air conditioning and a comfortable interior that remains in nice condition. Recently, several important maintenance items have been addressed. These include a new battery, a new starter, new front brake rotors, calipers, pads, brake hoses, and a new master cylinder, making the braking system essentially new up front. While the truck is in good overall shape and drives well, it does have a few known issues. The check engine light comes on and off intermittently. Additionally, the transmission produces some noise when shifting from third gear into overdrive. The factory oil gauge on the dash is non-functional, however, a manual gauge has been installed and confirms the engine maintains proper oil pressure. Number 7. 1986 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500, featuring a bold red exterior and a tan interior. Powered by a 305 V8 engine paired with an SM465 4-speed manual transmission, it runs and drives exceptionally well. The truck has been upgraded with a leveling kit and a rebuilt rear axle for improved performance and durability. It also features long tube headers and an aftermarket radiator to help with cooling and power. Recent maintenance includes replacing the alternator, clutch master cylinder, slave cylinder, and throwout bearing, ensuring the drivetrain operates smoothly. The braking system has newer components, and the suspension benefits from new shocks for a comfortable ride. Inside, the original seat has been replaced with a bench seat from an OBS truck, and an aftermarket sound system enhances the driving experience. Number 8. 1991 Chevrolet 3500, price $6,500, rust-free truck that stands out with its classic brown exterior and smooth automatic transmission. Powered by a dependable 5.7L engine paired with a 4-speed transmission, this truck offers a great balance of power and control typical of trucks from this era. Recently, the vehicle has been upgraded with brand new headlights and taillights, ensuring improved visibility and safety on the road. Additionally, all 6 tires have been replaced with new ones, providing better traction and ride quality. These updates, combined with its rust-free condition, make this Chevrolet 3500 a reliable and ready-to-drive truck that's perfect for both work and everyday use. Number 9. 1974 Chevrolet C10, price $8,000, features a powerful 350 small block engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. It has a gray exterior, black interior, and runs on gasoline. Upgrades include a new AVS 2 carburetor, Edelbrock intake, distributor, spark plugs and wires, and a 3-row aluminum radiator with a new water pump for improved performance and cooling. The truck also has a new chrome alternator, power steering gearbox, and upgraded inner and outer tie rods. Hooker long tube headers enhance exhaust flow and sound. Maintenance includes replaced transmission filter and gasket, differential fluid and gasket, plus a new gas tank with filler hoses, lowered with bolted and welded C-notches and 2-inch drop shackles. It rides on 17-inch centerline Galaxy wheels. The sturdy 12-bolt rear end adds durability, and a Lund visor completes the classic look. Number 10. 1969 Chevrolet C10, price $7,000. This is a striking blue truck with a manual transmission and a brown interior, running on gasoline. It is powered by a GM Goodwrench Crate 350 V8 engine, which has only 9,200 miles on it, paired with a Holley carburetor for strong performance. The truck features front disc brakes for improved stopping power and a new fuel tank for reliability. Recently replaced U-joints ensure smooth drivability, while modern digital gauges provide clear and precise information to the driver. Inside, the truck is equipped with a digital head unit and Alpine speakers, delivering excellent sound quality.